What's going on, YouTube? Ranger guy here. Give you guys a quick walk through the build. I'll just start where I started, which is the 2.5 inch leveling kit, 1.5 inch wheel spacers. See by the back there, kind of, about perfect really. It's about the perfect amount of tires sticking out. So those are 33 inch KO2s. To fit those on, you do have to cut the front and rear crash bars, or just take them out, whatever you want to do. And the hood is wrapped in a carbon fiber, silver carbon fiber, just kind of protect from the rock chips here in Alaska. Ford Raptor grill. We've got a Mishimoto intercooler. It's got the intercooler, the Mishimoto cold and hot side piping. Intake's pretty much stock. So we've got some wind deflectors on here. And these come all the way down. Kind of increases your blind spot, but I don't mind. Well, nice little Raptor sticker. Unfortunately, if you guys know, this is 2019, so they did not make the Raptor in 2019. So when I bought this, I want to start building my own. So that's how far we've got. Gotta have the Ford fucking Ranger sticker. Tail light is wrapped. You can't see it right now, but it says Ford and then Raptor when you're pressing the brakes. So, let's go around here. For exhaust, just get a catback. MBRP axle dump. Sounds pretty good. Super easy to put on. And we do have a tune for this. We don't have 93 in Alaska, so I have a 91 tune in it, and we can only get a 90 octane up here, so unfortunately. Yeah, I think that's about it, really. Inside looks like the Ford Ranger tail. This is the XTX model. Yeah, tell me what you guys think, and I'll catch you here soon with another video of just probably beating on my truck. So I'm just gonna already see. No rock damage there. I was from Eska Falls. That was one of my first trips out with it, so that went awesome. As you can see by the wheel too, which they're just factory wheels, so I don't really care about them. So eventually we are going to go to 2.5 coilovers, so it'll be a 3-inch front, and I'll do a progressive leaf in the back. That's also, I think it's 1.5 inches higher. These leaf springs are like a single leaf style, which is kind of weird, just like an old load spring. Get it. When it rides good, it's just a little stiff when it's unloaded, so we'll go with the progressive leaf and a better shock, and hopefully get a nicer ride. And we got this, put the Eco Beast badge on there. No Eco Boost, it's Eco Beast. Anyways, yeah, we'll get to you guys soon with the new video, and tell me what you guys think.